So hello everyone, hope everybody is well. I don't know if the camera is good because it is my maybe 10th video. Sometimes when I post and people write comments, I see the camera is a bit not straight. So sorry for that. I'm trying to improve also my videos. So today I want to talk about something very special. Uh, as you know that we started the Scent Library in 2013, and we have been in niche perfumes since more than 20 years. We own a lot of fragrances. We as a family, we collect fragrances from all around the world. And I have friends in US, friends from UK, and meeting them and seeing what they created and seeing also the people that are collecting perfumes is always something very special. And I have been always with my grandmother, with my mother, seeing a lot of perfume rituals. For example, every Friday when my mom comes out, we go to our Friday prayer time. She brings a box coming out from the vault. Said, one piece for you, one piece for your brother. And she gets the best oud. And the oud comes something similar to this jar. And you will see it's a small jar. We call it tola. Tola is a bit bigger. This is ربع tola. And then we have half tola. But trust me, this maybe cost more than 15 or 20 perfumes. And I always talk about cost or expensive, but maybe I always will try to clear that. It is because of how rare the oud is and how rare is the item that my mom and my grandmother have bought or gifted by my grandfather or our fathers. And then I started doing the videos in 2000, maybe 22. But I have noticed something very special. And I today I have a vision, and I will be speaking about it today. That when I posted how I do the bukhor and spraying perfume, I thought we as Emiratis we're the only ones who does that. And I got messages from people around the world, from US, from USA, from Brazil, from Canada, from Mexico, having their own rituals of perfumery. And they spray perfume maybe more than me. And you don't know, those messages makes me so happy. And I was sitting with my team, I was telling them, starting from October, I will be traveling. And you will see me traveling to different parts of the world to share the Emirati experience and to learn something from you guys. Um, and my vision is within 2 years, I want to collaborate with people in Brazil, people in Mexico, people in USA, and try to do something special together. Because perfumery is not only spraying, perfumery is something, it's about memories, it's about feeling good, it is about a lot of things. I don't know how to express about it, but whenever I spray perfume, like I feel good, I feel very confident. If I'm not spraying the right perfume, I won't feel confident. And 5 years ago, I used to be in store, and I always, when I train my team in something in the scent library, I always tell them something very important. Don't push the customer to buy a perfume, direct him to buy the perfume. It's two different meanings. Don't push him to buy, direct him. So the customer who will come to the scent library, I'm sure 99.9% he will come out loving what he's buying, not pushed. Because when we started this company, we traveled all around the world. And every perfume store I used to go inside, everybody tells me this bestseller. And I used to really hate maybe bestseller to everybody, but I'm different. Every person is different. Maybe I need to discover my bestseller. So if you go to our store, we today we name bestsellers. So if you go to our showroom, there is no bestseller. You can discover through the libraries. So when you go inside, you will see library instead of books. You will see scent, and you will discover what you love. And perfume is, if you tell me, Saeed, with all of my experience, I only discovered 10%. And with the topic today is knowing a lot of cultures of perfumery. And please write me in the comments something maybe I can learn and also collaborate with you guys and develop something that will be nice. Uh, like I say, in USA, a lot of people love gourmand scents, and not the gourmand that is chocolate. Gourmand that feels a bit of uh, caramel, vetiver, patchouli, a mix of that. It makes me feel so good knowing that. Now, for example, in the Emirati culture, we put all of our mixing. So we put the bukhur, and then we put perfume. And sometimes we know. So, for example, if I'm wearing today is summer, I want to wear something fresh and something gourmand. So I will go with, from, if you talk about perfumes from the scent lab, I will go with Sugar Rush, 7:15 a.m. or MBZ. I will layering to, and I won't spray the same balance. No, Sugar Rush I will do two sprays here, and MBZ I will spray maybe 10, and see the complement. And when I'm traveling, I'm seeing people doing different things, and we all combine. We all learn from each other. And today, my vision is to learn more about different cultures, and I want to share with you. And we may work together for sure. Uh, like this year, we have an exclusive perfume that will be launched in November in USA. It is a new version of Sugar Rush. Maybe I didn't talk about it ever, but I'm talking about it this time. And it will be something very special, very, very special. First time in the perfumery industry. It is something from UAE and from USA combining in one perfume. And hopefully there is something also happening in after 1 month, end of August, and also something happening in January. So your comments means a lot to me. Not only by showing love only, but I learn from you guys. Because perfumery is always learning from different people. Today, one of the things that my mom shared with me about the مخمرية and how they maturate the مخمرية in last 100 years. Her mom, how she do it, they put it under the sand, so it gets maturated more and more. I tell him, mom, how they usually do. So on all of the experience that we have, also we learn day by day, and by learning day by day, it makes us develop always the best in this industry. But there is more to discover. Perfumery is a big field. Every day, or not every day, every second we discover something new. Like for example, if you tell us, Saeed, one of the things that you are proud of, we're we are as the first company in UAE to do the farming in UAE. So in 2 years we'll have our own farm, our own roses that's coming from the Emirates, and we're doing the plantation now. You maybe in this end of this year you will see some photos. This is something that is new in perfumery, and imagine smelling roses from the desert. It is the best smell ever. Maybe you will smell something like it in our fragrances called Osha rose. Um, and so this is a very nice topic that I wanted to share with you guys, and I want people to write in the comment what we can learn. Uh, but really, it makes me really happy, and we always try to learn together, learn different cultures, and I will be traveling a lot soon. You will see me going to USA, soon to Brazil, and to different countries to see what can we collaborate and showcase the Emirati perfumery and the country we are visiting, and creating a nice perfume that we are really proud of. Because this perfume won't stay just to spray it, to stay for our children for until 100 years. And this is a story that we can talk for our future. So thank you for everybody who's watching. And today I love end of every episode I do on YouTube, I will be talking about a fragrance that I really love. Um, so basically, we have today a close fragrance to me, Sugar Rush. Everybody knows Sugar Rush. Sugar Rush was a fragrance that was developed a year ago. And what is Sugar Rush is about? Sugar Rush is I wanted to. I traveled to US. I was in an event in a store called Perfumology. Near guy is a very good friend of mine. It was one of the best events. Meeting people in USA always make me passionate to do a lot of fragrances every day. You can't imagine. If you see the photos, it is in Instagram and TikTok, and also in the shot, you see the videos and the photos that when I was there, I was very stressed because I usually sometimes I'm shy to go to events, but in that day, the people made me more motivated to do and work more. So while meeting them, everybody loved the Seven Sense, and I saw people loving Abu Dhabi because how gourmand cherry it is. So I said I will make something called Sugar Rush for US market. It was exclusive for USA only. And Sugar Rush has a nice captive. Captive means in perfumery is a mix that the perfumer does. So me and our team, we have developed a captive called Asida. Asida is a dessert in UAE. We eat it every day, and every dessert has ingredients: saffron, cardamom, uh, sugar. So this, as I called it Asida, but inside this captive is those three elements, and you will smell it in this perfume. If you tell me, Said, when do you wear it? I wear it every day now. I just spray it here, and then I layer it with citrus perfume. But it is stays until end of the day. This is what I love in it, because I get compliment every day with Sugar Rush, and so visiting people and meeting people, let us create beautiful perfumes. And seeing your comments always means a lot. So thank you everybody, and hopefully to meet everybody soon, and more to come. Just keep on watching. More to come, and see you soon. Bye bye.